the only thing. This is my nurse rifle. There's like 40 feet. And if this bunny knocks over, then I win. Yes. Then I'm going to stand it back up. I'm going to try my nurse. I'm going to try my zombie strike. See if it knocks. It goes by 40 feet. If I'm out, that's okay. I'm going to have to use these bullets. And it's going to take long. Probably by 2 minutes. Probably by 2 minutes. I don't know how much time it's going to take. There. Now.